What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have this brake caliper compressor tool. This thing's actually pretty awesome. What it is a ratchet in the middle. So you stick this in the caliper, you can ratchet it to compress it or to loosen this up. And this will work with 6-piston calipers, dual piston calipers. You can take these plates off if you have smaller calipers. You can even use it on single piston calipers. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.